Alright guys, so Marcus got a drone and it's called Sky Viper. It's a pretty tiny little drone. I think it's called Dash Nano drone. So apparently they have a few different kinds here. So the Dash is on the bottom there, and then we got stage 1 and stage 2, I guess more advanced ones maybe, but it comes with a pretty cool remote, looks like. So those are some of the features that it has. Pretty cool. And it's got auto hover and auto launch and land, so that makes it where it's pretty easy to use. And also guys, the thing that's kind of cool is it comes with free replacement parts for 1 year, so that's kind of interesting. No registration required, because that's kind of a big deal these days, I guess. And looks like it comes with 3.700 milliamp battery. So, but you will need 3 AA batteries, looks like. So, all right, Marcus. So let's bust it open and see what it looks like. All right, guys. So these little drones have been getting, you know, pretty good price here lately and becoming pretty good quality. So it looks like we got a bunch of tape around the clear thing, Marky. Yeah, they tape these things up really good. Here we go. Here, pull on that tape. There you go. All right. Let's take a closer look at this little guy. It is tiny. Look at my finger, guys. This is a tiny little quadcopter. So here we have the on and off switch right there. Cool. I wonder how, does it just pop off? Oh wait, it's got a little thing around it. Oh wait, we have to cut that, bro. We need like little scissors or something. A little scissors. Bam. Okay, grab the drum, bro. Oh yeah. Look at it. It's so tiny. Wow, dude. I hope you can fly this thing. It's so small. You gotta be careful not crashing it because the propellers will probably break. So we have a charger. Everything is very tiny. Alright, looks like we have the remote. Whoa, the remote's a lot larger than I thought it was gonna be. It's actually huge.
For a tiny drone.
Look how big this remote is, guys. Look how small this thing is and how big the remote is. Well, I guess that's good the remote's kind of big because, you know, you got to hold it in your hand. Hey, look, it's got a stunt button. Correction buttons. And then F and B, forward, back, I guess. Power button. Alta. Manual, launch, and land. This thing's got a lot of features. And a fat, juicy instruction manual. Marcus, I think the first thing we need to do is charge it, yeah? Alright, guys, so I got the charger plugged in, and I guess it just plugs in right into here. Just like that. It's kind of a, like, not really a good design because that's it, basically. It's charging. It's like barely just goes in there and the little light turns red, so I feel like that part is not designed very well. So we're gonna let it charge for a little bit here while we check out some more stuff. Marcus, what do you got over there? So it looks like it came with some extra propellers, guys. That's a huge plus. Alright, so I guess we might as well put the batteries in the remote. So we got 3 little Amazon basic batteries here. So there is like a little Phillips screw that you have to unscrew before you can put the batteries in. And then we screw it on. Let's see if it powers on, Marky. Alright, so it did power on. And it's flashing green. Alright, so Marcus can wait and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can connect to the drone. Alright, so do you know how to power it on, bro? There's a little on and off switch right there. Yeah. Okay, so there is some lights flashing on the bottom of it. So we got some red and green lights. Alright, so I'm going to set it down. I'm guessing the back is like this. And this is the front, the green. So, alright, see if you can turn on the controller and see if it'll... Okay, so they stopped flashing. And they're just solid now. Okay, you want to try to fly it? Just be careful, bro. Okay, go for it. Okay, I think he's getting the hang of it, sort of. I know he knows how to fly these things because he used to have one that he flew a lot. Okay, you're getting good now, Marky. Okay, see if you can land it. Awesome, dude. So you figured it out?
Yep.
Man, this thing is pretty nice, actually. It's actually easier to fly than you would think, yeah? Alright, so Marky's going to demonstrate the launch and land button. Alright, Marky, push the launch button. We got the little quadcopter right there. So he just pushed the launch. And basically it goes straight up by itself. And it kind of hovers. Now push the land button, bro. So it's landing on its own. So that's pretty cool, yeah? It makes it really easy to launch and land. So that is that feature right there, which is really cool to have, seems like. Alright, so the next thing Marcus is going to do is he's going to do some tricks with this thing. So as you fly up, you have a little button right here where it says stunt. And you click it and that thing will actually do like random stunts. I think it's got quite a few of them that are different every time. So go ahead, Marky, let's see what it can do. Did it just do a flip? Yeah. Okay, try again. I don't think I saw it. I missed it again. You went way too high. There you go. Ooh, nice flip, bro. There you go. Nice. Finally. Oh, he touched the wall. Careful with the wall, bro. Ooh, nice flip. One more. Nice. Alright, see if you can land that thing automatically. There it goes, there it goes. Cool. Dude, that's a pretty cool drone. Alright guys, so we got the drone back on charge. It's super fun to play with. Definitely very controllable. I was thinking about making some kind of obstacles maybe to go around. That would be kind of fun. Seems like a super cool drone. Honestly, for $20, these things have gone a long ways. You know, even a year ago, you buy something for $20, it would be pretty junky. So yeah, check out Sky Viper. Pretty good company seems like, and very intuitive and very easy to fly. And they do have a few models here, so. But if you are interested in this little guy, I will leave a link in the description so you can check that out. Also guys, check out our other videos on this channel. So if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.